Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to split a page in half on Canva. Alright, let's begin. First, open Canva and click Create a Design in the top left corner. Select Custom Size and enter your preferred dimensions. For example, you can use a width of 100 and a height of 50 to create a rectangle that's easy to divide evenly. Then click Create New Design. Once your blank canvas opens, click File in the top left corner and open View Settings or Settings depending on your Canva version. From there, select Add New Guide and choose Custom. Set the number of columns to 2 and rows to 0, then apply the guides. Canva will place a vertical guide in the center of your page, splitting it into 2 equal halves. These guides are only visible while editing and won't appear in your exported design. If you want a visible divider, open the Elements tab and search for Line. Drag the line onto your canvas and align it with the center guide. You can adjust its thickness, length, and color to match your design. So that's basically how you can split a page in half on Canva. That's it for this video. Thanks.